one. Okay, what's up, YouTube, and everyone watching YouTube right now? And today I'm here with my friend Aiden. Um, wait, am I actually allowed to say your name or no? Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, I never actually like this is like a cringy starting, but okay. Um, I've never like. I think it's crazy that they're just taking down a ton of Christian live streams on YouTube. Like I was they banned me from live streaming too, and I was like, okay, maybe it's because of my apparel, but it says it was because of my apparel. But then one of my other Christian live streams, like two or three of them, they were like unavailable, unavailable, unavailable. It was crazy. Yes, they're taking down videos. I know the quality sucks. I'm using PS3 camera, but I'm gonna continue. Oh, that's my Bruno barking. I'm gonna continue me posting videos until they take down my channel entirely. So I'd be very very sad. And I also have my Instagram too. My extra channel, my gaming channel. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't think it'll come back down to it. But I have my Instagram. So I'll post a link on my Instagram. So if my channel does get taken down, here's my Instagram. I'll have that in the description. Yeah, every day. The newest stuff that's going on, because it's actually crazy. Facebook's taking stuff down. It's crazy. Yeah, I know. And now Mixer's taking stuff down too. I don't know if Mixer's taking stuff down. I know Twitch is. Mixer isn't now because that's the only thing that I'm gonna live stream on. So yeah, that's the only thing that I can live stream on. So yeah, apparently now, yeah, Mixer, my friend Aiden and doing a video. So please, so now yeah, Facebook, face, Facebook's just taking stuff down. The like the coronavirus is just yeah, yeah, and I still cannot believe what's happening. My pastor's live streams could be taken down off of Facebook. Um, yeah, I cannot believe. Yeah, still coming to church. Oh, the church. Okay, I don't. I my church is completely closed. Well, we're having we're having a drive-in service, like a movie theater drive-in, but with like my pastor preaching. So um I was watching this one video and they're like, how easy was it for the government to just shut down a lot of churches? That was it's, yeah, yeah, I know. It's honestly crazy. Um I I still cannot believe everything that's happening, you know? I know, just like that they shut everything down and it's just like that they shut everything down and I just cannot believe it. They just shut everything down and mhm. Yep.
Forgot what state it was.
Yeah. Don't tell any states because I don't want them to know where we live. But
Oh, yeah.
don't tell any states. I mean, I just still cannot believe that they're shutting down. To me,
Just like that.
why are they shutting down Christian YouTube channels? To me, that's just not right. Um, yeah. So they're shutting it down. Yeah. To me, I don't know what's happening. I watch gaming channels and it's fine. I watch Christian channels and every Christian channel I watch, shut down. And if they have less, and if they have more than 1,000 subscribers, they can go again and go again. But their stream will keep stopping at a certain time. But like me, I was one of the actual. Yeah, like me, I'll shut down completely until I get 1,000 subscribers. And I can't contact YouTube, and it's a big, huge thing. Yeah, they're not gonna do anything about this coronavirus stuff, and it's just plus the coronavirus going around. Like, if my channel all of a sudden just get taken down tomorrow, I'm just gonna be like, and like, all of my like stuff could just get taken down. Do you know how? But then I would have all my videos like saved, so I could just repost them, I guess. But I mean, I know I have like 90% of my videos saved. So like what I do is I have them all in a folder and then like I name them the dates. Like I named today's video 3/24/2020, and then if I pre-record videos, I just record it to the day that they're recording because I just like to find them. I sort them, and then the video that I post me in 2 years ago, I set that for 2 years ago. So, I mean, this is just absolutely crazy. I still cannot believe everything that's going on. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, it really is unbelievable, and I don't know. Yeah, yeah. That's gonna have to be for another complete. Yeah, another video because
I have a lot to talk on that.
yes, we have a lot to talk on that. We'll be and the coronavirus. That'll be in a stream sometime coming on Mixer. Yeah. A couple days from now, a day or 2 or 3 from now, because obviously we're out of school. So,
Hopefully just get taken down.
yeah. If my channel gets taken down,
You could move to your gaming channel and just change the title of it.
I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, we'll figure something out.
Yeah. So, um,
Discord will still be up, though.
yeah, Discord will still be up. I mean, my Instagram should still be up, hopefully.
You'll post stuff on there every day.
On Instagram, yeah, every single day. Even if, yeah, information and quotes. If there's really nothing going on, I'll just post quotes if there's not really any information. But if there's information, I'll definitely post it there. So, yeah, because this is just really crazy. So yeah, I'll see. Yeah, I don't know. Do you have any more information to add?
I have none.
Okay.
For the stream?
Yeah. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.